Hey guys, it's me, Thriftasticmom, and today I thought I would do kind of a different video for you guys. I wanted to share with you this new humidifier that I got. I was so glad to get this because, as some of you know that watch me, I deal with sinus stuff and all that. So I had already been on the market looking for a humidifier that blows out cool mist. I always thought the hot air, the hot mist humidifiers were best for sinuses, but after I've done some research, it says that the cool air was best, so I was already looking for one. And something a little bit better than what I got. I got a hot mist one in there, and it just isn't very attractive, and I hate filling that thing up. It just does not fill up good. It's just kind of odd. But I thought something like this would be really nice. And when I looked in my email, I had something from this company asking me would I like to review a product for them, and I was like, yes, this is something that I have been looking for online. So I'm glad that they reached out, asked me would I like to get one of these and try it out, and I was like, yes. So this is the Kyvol Vigoair HD3 Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier, and I am going to open this up, show you how it comes in the box, and then go from there. Can't wait. I'm so excited to start using this. Okay guys, this is what it looks like. It says Kyvol Vigoair HD3 Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier. And I picked the one in white. And it says here on the box that it is 4.5 liter gallon capacity. So that's a large capacity. That's good. Because I really hate changing out water all the time. So that'll work great. And it is ultra long running time, whisper quiet, wide coverage, long service life, and low water protection. And on the back here, it says, in the box you get the humidifier, you get a cleaning brush, you get a dust-proof sponge, and the user manual, which comes in great because I don't know how to use it. On this side it shows you the specifications, of the voltage and all that, how much power that it would use. So, very informative on the box. So we're going to go ahead and open it up. I'm excited to get this thing running. Hopefully it's going to help me out when I sleep, because I do tend to get congested. You might can hear it in my voice a little bit this morning. Ooh. Comes just like that. It looks pretty nice from what I can see. Just gonna lay it down and pull it out here. Wow, it's bigger than I thought it was. Comes in plastic. And it's got a little packet like this. It's got your little sponge and cleaning tool and your manual and stuff in it. That looks pretty nice. Look at that. I'm going to go ahead and rip into it here. Okay, I'm going to open up the manual. Get a little sponge. A little brush. That'll be good to clean it with. And then your little manual, of course, you're going to need that probably. I'm looking at the instructions here. It shows all the parts and what they do. And it shows you how to operate it. So the instruction manual is pretty nice. It shows you everything. Shows you how to fill the water and all that good stuff. So seems to be a pretty nice setup here as far as the manual goes. One thing I like about this is this top part right here is where your steam comes out, and it actually rotates like that. So you can turn it in whichever direction you want. That's a pretty neat feature of it. Okay, it says this little piece here comes on. Okay. Oh, and it has a handle, look. And then you can just pull it up off of the base. You actually refill the water right here. That comes off, and it's got little like scent beads in it. That's neat. So you put your water in there. And then you'll set it back down on there when you get ready to use it. That's neat. That's what the back looks like. It's really nice. So this is your 360 rotating nozzle, which you can turn it all the way around to face whichever way you want it to go. It has the ceramic filter beads in it that I showed you. It has a dust-proof sponge filter. I showed you that. This tank is actually a 4.5 liter tank. So that's nice. That'll hold a pretty good amount of water. And it runs for 75 hours, y'all. If you run it on low, it'll run for 75 hours. I love that because I hate having to change my water every night. Now, if you run it on high, it does run out quicker. So you may have to change it more often. But if you just put it on low, then it says 75 hours running time. You can't beat that. And I love that. That was one of the main problems I had with my other humidifier. I just didn't like that I had to change it every night. But anyway, this one is also BPA free for those of you, that care about the BPA free. And it looks pretty nice. I can't wait to put some water in it and try it out. It is cool and it's quiet. Now I just got it on like medium right now. I'm gonna turn it all the way up to max. Let's see the difference. Oh yeah, you can see the steam. As I turn it down, the steam gets low. But then you turn it up and it gets real high if you want it on high. Wow, this thing's really putting out steam, guys. Really nice. It says that it has a wide range for like a big rooms, but I just live in a mobile home, so this will work great for me. I'll put this in my bathroom at night, and it will work great for me while I sleep. One thing I like about it is the indicator light will turn red when the water gets low, so it'll let you know that the water's getting low, because it has like an automatic shut off, so I like that about it. But it's so quiet, so that will not bother me at all. I love how quiet it is. So if you're a light sleeper, you would love this because it's really quiet. I like that. For those of you that use essential oils, I wouldn't recommend this because it says right here, do not use essential oils into the water tank. And it also says do not put it on a carpeted floor. So you need it on a nice hard surface that ain't carpet. But it's really nice. It's really quiet. I don't know if y'all can hear that little bit of hum that's coming off of it. It's putting out a lot of steam. I mean, it's coming all the way over here to my camera. But it's really nice. I love how it looks. You could put this in your living room or your kitchen or anywhere. It looks nice. So you wouldn't have to worry about, how it looks. I love how easy it is to put the water in the tank and just slide the tank right down on the base. And I love that it indicates and lets you know that the water's low. That way you can refill it when needed. And overall, I'm happy with it. It seems like a really nice machine, and I'm so glad that they sent me this. You don't just have to use this for your bedroom. You could use it in your kitchen, your living room, in your office, in your baby's room. I mean, it's good for plants. It's good for everything, This thing is not only good for your air quality, it's great for your plants. It moisturizes, your skin. It makes you breathe better. It alleviates stuffiness, which is the main reason that I wanted it, is because of my stuffiness at night. And, it just improves your air quality. It comes in 2 different colors, too. I chose the white because I have a lot of white here in my home. But it also comes in gray, so you can pick out gray or white, whichever you prefer. So that's a good thing. I don't know if it has in any other colors, but I did see that the white and gray. And I know I'm going to get a lot of good use out of this thing. And I just wanted to share it with you guys because, you know, if you are dealing with stuffiness and or dry air like I do in my home, then this is a good option for you to go with. But I really appreciate that Kyvol sent me this Cool Mist humidifier because like I said, I was really on the lookout for one. Thank you so much, Kyvol, for sending me this. I know I'm going to get a lot of good use out of this. It's a really nice machine, and can't wait to use it. So anyway, if you are interested in picking up one of these, I'm going to leave a link down below. That way you can go check these out, check out the specs on it, the reviews on it, and all that stuff. And hopefully purchase you one if you are in need of one like I have been. Got this thing sitting next to me. Can you see all the mist falling in front of me? It's so cool too. I mean, I have actually gotten cooler sitting here next to this machine. It has actually cooled me off. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video and seeing my new Kyvol Ultrasonic humidifier here. If you did, y'all give me a big thumbs up. Leave me some comments down below. Also, don't forget to check out the link for this if you are interested in one of these beauties. And I guess I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. God bless. Bye.